Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because today we're diving deep into what 2026 has in store for cryptocurrency. We're going to break down the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap, explore what to expect this year, and most importantly, we'll reveal how each of these digital assets is connecting with artificial intelligence, the technology that's reshaping our entire world. 2025 was a wild ride for crypto. We saw Bitcoin reach historic highs before pulling back, Ethereum struggled despite major technical upgrades, and regulatory clarity finally started to emerge with frameworks like the Genius Act. But 2026? This could be the year where crypto and AI truly converge to create something unprecedented, so grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore the future of digital assets together. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the top 10, let's set the stage. What's happening in crypto right now in January 2026? The total cryptocurrency market cap is sitting around $3 trillion. Bitcoin's dominance remains strong at nearly 60% of the total market. We're seeing Bitcoin trading in the $90,000 to $92,000 range, consolidating after some volatility in late 2025. But here's what's really interesting. 2026 is shaping up differently than previous years. Industry experts are predicting that Bitcoin might finally break its traditional 4-year cycle. Institutional adoption is accelerating at an unprecedented pace. The U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve was established in 2025, and other nations are watching closely. This governmental endorsement represents a fundamental shift in how we think about digital assets. On the regulatory front, we're seeing massive progress. More than 100 crypto-linked ETFs are expected to launch in the U.S. this year. Stablecoins are becoming the backbone of digital payments, with transaction settlement happening in seconds instead of days. Companies are recognizing the operational efficiency gains and cost savings. There's also a major trend toward consolidation. Companies are acquiring startups to build full-stack crypto platforms rather than building from scratch. Ripple alone acquired 7 startups in the past 2 years, spending over $2.4 billion to expand into brokerage, custody, and treasury services. And perhaps most exciting, AI and crypto are colliding in ways we've never seen before. The AI crypto market cap reached $24 to $27 billion by mid-2025, and it's only growing. Projects are emerging that combine decentralized machine learning, autonomous AI agents, GPU rendering networks, and data marketplaces. Now, with that context, let's dive into the top 10 cryptocurrencies and their AI connections. Coming in at number 10 is Cardano, trading around 43 cents with a market cap in the tens of billions. Cardano is a decentralized blockchain designed for peer-to-peer transactions with a structured architecture that supports smart contracts. What sets Cardano apart is its energy efficiency. It uses a proof-of-stake algorithm that's far more efficient than Bitcoin's proof-of-work system, resulting in lower transaction costs and reduced environmental impact. The platform is highly scalable, designed to handle high transaction volumes. So how does Cardano connect to AI? While Cardano isn't primarily an AI-focused blockchain, it's building infrastructure that can support AI applications. The platform's focus on academic research and peer-reviewed development means it's creating robust systems that can handle complex computational tasks. As AI applications require reliable, scalable infrastructure, Cardano's energy-efficient consensus mechanism and smart contract capabilities position it as a potential platform for AI-powered decentralized applications. The challenge for Cardano in 2026 is competing with faster, more AI-native blockchains while maintaining its commitment to methodical, research-driven development. At number 9, we have Dogecoin, the meme coin that refuses to die, trading around 15 cents. What started as a joke in 2013 has become one of the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Dogecoin features a fixed annual issuance of around 5 billion Doge, creating steady inflation, but with a declining percentage rate as total supply grows. It has an active community and has delivered staggering returns for early believers. The AI connection for Dogecoin is less about the technology and more about sentiment, analysis, and community dynamics. AI tools are increasingly being used to track social media sentiment, analyze trading patterns, and predict price movements based on community activity. Dogecoin's value is largely driven by viral moments and celebrity endorsements, making it a prime candidate for AI-powered sentiment analysis tools. Some developers are also exploring AI chatbots and automated trading systems specifically designed for meme coins, like Dogecoin. While Doge itself doesn't integrate AI at the protocol level, the ecosystem around it is becoming increasingly AI-assisted. The risk here is obvious. Dogecoin has no cap on total supply and limited practical applications beyond speculation and payments. In 2026, investors need to understand they're betting on community strength and viral potential rather than technological innovation. Number 8 is Tron, trading at about 28 cents. Tron has established itself as a major player in global stablecoin transfers. The network processes billions of dollars in stablecoin transactions, particularly USDT. Tron's low transaction fees and fast settlement times make it attractive for remittances and cross-border payments. For AI integration, Tron is positioning itself as an infrastructure layer for decentralized applications, including those powered by AI. The network's ability to handle high transaction volumes at low cost makes it suitable for AI applications that require frequent microtransactions or data exchanges. Tron is also exploring partnerships with projects that combine blockchain and AI for content distribution and digital rights management. The platform's focus on entertainment and media applications aligns well with AI-generated content and automated content distribution systems. However, Tron faces competition from newer, faster blockchains. In 2026, its established role in stablecoin transfers remains its core strength, but expansion into AI-native applications will determine its long-term relevance. At number 7, Solana is trading around $142, and it's been one of the most searched tokens since Q4 2024. Solana was launched as an Ethereum killer, and it's delivering on that promise in many ways. It has even surpassed Ethereum in transaction volume at times. The network is planning a major consensus upgrade with the new Alpenglow protocol, developed by Anza, a spin-off from Solana Labs. This upgrade would replace Solana's current Proof of History and Tower BFT systems, introducing components that can finalize blocks in just 100 to 150 milliseconds. Here's where AI comes in for Solana. The network's incredible speed and low transaction costs make it ideal for AI applications that require rapid processing and frequent state changes. Solana is becoming a preferred blockchain for AI-powered trading bots, autonomous agents, and real-time data processing applications. Several AI crypto projects are choosing Solana as their base layer because of its performance characteristics. The network can handle the computational demands of AI applications without the congestion issues that plague slower blockchains. We're seeing AI-powered DeFi protocols, prediction markets, and autonomous trading systems all building on Solana. The major AI connection for Solana is infrastructure. It's the highway that AI applications drive on. As AI agents become more common in crypto, agents that can autonomously execute trades, manage portfolios, and interact with DeFi protocols, they need a fast, cheap blockchain to operate on. Solana is positioning itself as that blockchain. In 2026, watch for Solana to continue attracting AI-focused projects and developers who need high-performance infrastructure. Coming in at number 6 is Binance Coin, trading around $893 with a market cap exceeding $129 billion. BNB is the native token of the Binance ecosystem, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. The token is used for trading fee discounts, transaction fees on BNB chain, and governance. Analysts predict BNB could range from $582 to $970 in 2026, influenced by Binance's continued market expansion and successful blockchain upgrades. For AI integration, BNB Chain is actively supporting AI and machine learning projects. The Binance ecosystem has launched several initiatives to foster AI development, including funding programs for AI-powered trading tools and analytics platforms. BNB Chain's compatibility with Ethereum smart contracts makes it easy for AI projects to deploy and scale. We're also seeing AI-powered tools integrated directly into the Binance Exchange platform, from advanced trading algorithms to customer service chatbots to fraud detection systems. Binance is using AI to enhance user experience, improve security, and optimize trading execution. In 2026, expect BNB to benefit from the broader integration of AI tools across the Binance ecosystem, and from AI-native projects choosing to build on BNB Chain. At number 5, XRP is trading around $2.05 to $2.21 with a market cap of approximately $125 billion. XRP's primary use case centers on cross-border payments and liquidity provision for financial institutions. The token saw significant momentum in late 2024 and early 2025, following the resolution of litigation between Ripple and the US government and the approval of spot XRP ETFs. In January 2026, Ripple is making major moves. The company launched the RLUSD stablecoin on both the XRP ledger and Ethereum, with a market cap of about $1.4 billion. Ripple is partnering with LMAX to accelerate institutional stablecoin adoption. The company also secured important approvals from UK financial regulator FCA, including an electronic money institution license and crypto asset registration. Now, how does XRP connect to AI? Ripple is exploring AI integration for optimizing payment routing, fraud detection, and compliance monitoring. AI algorithms can analyze transaction patterns in real time to find the most efficient payment corridors and detect suspicious activity. More broadly, as financial institutions adopt blockchain for cross-border payments, they're simultaneously implementing AI for trade finance, risk assessment, and customer service. XRP is positioning itself at the center of this transformation, serving as the bridge currency while AI handles the intelligence layer. However, 2026 presents challenges for XRP. Some analysts predict it could struggle without new major catalysts. Price predictions range widely. Some forecasts suggest $1.80 to $4.14 with stretch targets up to $5.25, while others predict a pullback to $1 if adoption doesn't accelerate. Wait, we already covered Solana and BNB. Let me correct the rankings here. Based on current market data, the actual top 10 looks slightly different. Let me adjust and continue with the correct cryptocurrencies. At number 4, we have Ethereum, the king of smart contracts, trading around $3,050 with a market cap exceeding $400 billion. Ethereum had a challenging 2025 despite significant technical progress, but 2026 could be different. The network recently completed the Fusaka upgrade, which significantly improved Layer 2 scalability and reduced costs. The key question is whether Layer 2 solutions will finally deliver the user experience improvements their architecture promises. For AI integration, Ethereum is absolutely crucial. If Wall Street banks are going to embrace blockchain technology, they're likely to embrace Ethereum. Two major fintech trends are driving this: stablecoins and real-world asset tokenization. Stablecoins are digital dollars pegged one-to-one to the US dollar that can be deployed across blockchains and DeFi protocols. The growth in stablecoins is extraordinary, and many are built on Ethereum. Real-world asset tokenization refers to transforming stocks, bonds, real estate, and other traditional assets into digital tokens on the blockchain. This is a multi-trillion-dollar market opportunity, and Ethereum stands out as the blockchain where these digital assets will be actively managed and traded. Here's where AI comes in. AI is being used to automate compliance checks for tokenized assets, optimize DeFi yield strategies, analyze market conditions, and manage complex multi-asset portfolios. Ethereum's robust smart contract ecosystem makes it the natural home for AI-powered financial applications. We're also seeing AI models being deployed on Ethereum to power prediction markets, automated trading strategies, and risk assessment tools. Projects are using AI to optimize gas fees, predict network congestion, and improve transaction routing across Layer 2 networks. In 2026, Ethereum's success will depend on whether the Layer 2 ecosystem delivers seamless user experiences. If it does, combined with AI-powered applications, Ethereum could see renewed growth. Now, we're getting to the exciting part. For the top 3, I want to focus on the cryptocurrencies that are most directly integrating with AI technology. Let me share the 3 that are genuinely revolutionizing the AI-crypto intersection. Number 3. Render Token, RNDR. Render is the world's first decentralized GPU rendering platform. This is huge for AI because training AI models requires massive computational power, specifically GPU power. Cloud GPU costs are skyrocketing, and Render offers an alternative. Render's model allows GPU holders to contribute spare capacity to a peer-to-peer marketplace. AI researchers and developers can access affordable compute power for training models, rendering 3D graphics, and running inference tasks. The RNDR token is used to pay for these services. Render experienced about 19% growth in a single day during recent AI sector rallies. The network has partnerships with AI and graphics users, and there's rising demand for GPU compute trading. As AI models become larger and more complex, the need for decentralized compute resources will only grow. In 2026, Render is positioned as critical infrastructure for the AI revolution. It's making AI development more accessible and affordable. Number 2. Fetch AI, FET, and the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Fetch AI is a decentralized network of autonomous AI agents designed to perform complex tasks, optimizing supply chains, managing DeFi strategies, enabling smart cities to function efficiently. In a major development, Fetch.ai merged with Singularity Net and Ocean Protocol to form the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, with FET serving as the foundational token. This alliance combines agent-based AI, decentralized data sharing, and AI marketplace infrastructure. The long-term vision is building decentralized artificial general intelligence as an alternative to corporate AI monopolies. FET has real-world applications already deployed, from autonomous parking coordination in Cambridge to energy trading systems. The token recently broke above key resistance levels, and analysts predict it could surpass $1 in the near term with potential targets around $1.77. However, there was drama in late 2024 when Ocean Protocol pulled out of the alliance, causing FET to tumble. The multi-step merger process has been messier than expected, but the core vision remains compelling. Autonomous AI agents that can negotiate, transact, and execute tasks across blockchain networks. In 2026, FET is positioned to lead in autonomous agents, particularly if blockchain integrations for task automation in decentralized economies continue to expand. Number 1. Bitcoin, BTC. But wait, where's the AI? Here's the truth. By pure market cap, Bitcoin is number 1. Trading around $92,000 with a market cap of $9 trillion and nearly 60% dominance of the entire crypto market. Bitcoin enters 2026 with strong fundamentals. Institutional adoption continues to build. Corporations are adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. The U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve is a profound endorsement. If other nations follow suit, that could create a cascade of sovereign demand supporting prices. The 2028 Bitcoin halving is approaching, and historically, the 12 to 24 months preceding halvings see accumulation phases as market participants position for reduced supply issuance. But here's the thing, Bitcoin doesn't have direct AI integration at the protocol level. Bitcoin is digital gold, a store of value, the gateway cryptocurrency. Its value proposition centers on scarcity and security, not on smart contracts or AI applications. However, there's an indirect AI connection. AI-powered trading algorithms dominate Bitcoin markets. AI is used for price prediction, sentiment analysis, fraud detection, and optimizing mining operations. Companies are developing AI tools specifically for Bitcoin investment strategies and portfolio management. So while Bitcoin itself isn't an AI cryptocurrency, the ecosystem around it is becoming increasingly AI-enhanced. The real number 1 for AI, Bittensor, TAO. If we're talking about pure AI integration, Bittensor deserves special mention. TAO is the largest AI-focused crypto asset by market capitalization, currently trading around $320. Bittensor is a decentralized machine learning network where AI models collaborate, compete, and earn rewards based on the value of information they contribute. Unlike traditional centralized AI training, Bittensor lets anyone contribute computing resources or models and earn TAO tokens. Here's what's fascinating. Bittensor has a maximum lifetime supply of 21 million coins, the exact same as Bitcoin. If you believe in the scarcity argument for Bitcoin, the same logic applies to Bittensor. But Bittensor isn't just scarce, it's functional. The network has 128 active subnets focused on different AI domains, from text generation to protein folding. The token rewards useful model contributions and creates a meritocratic intelligence ecosystem. It's essentially building a marketplace for machine learning where the best models rise to the top and contributors are compensated fairly. Bittensor was down 50% in 2025, so it's not without risks, but analysts project significant appreciation potential, with some forecasts ranging from $360 to $500 in 2026, and more aggressive predictions exceeding $1,000 by 2027 to 2030. In 2026, Bitensor could become a core platform for decentralized AI research and deployment. Before we wrap up, let me quickly mention some other AI cryptocurrencies that didn't make the top 10 by market cap but are worth watching. Near Protocol. A high-performance sharded blockchain optimized for AI workloads with sub-second finality supporting real-time AI agent transactions. Internet Computer, ICP, positions itself as infrastructure for decentralized ML deployment and inference. The Graph, GRT, critical infrastructure for indexing blockchain data, essential for AI models operating on-chain. Ocean Protocol, a blockchain-based data marketplace that allows secure data sharing and monetization, critical because data fuels AI models. SingularityNet, AGIX, a DAO-governed AI marketplace that lets developers sell model outputs. Chainlink, Link, while not purely an AI token, Chainlink is working on connecting AI models to blockchains through its Oracle networks. The company partnered with major financial institutions to use AI and Chainlink oracles for processing corporate actions and creating unified golden records. Each of these projects is carving out a niche in the AI crypto intersection, from data marketplaces to decentralized compute to AI blockchain bridges. Alright, let's wrap this up. What should you take away from all this? 2026 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for cryptocurrency. We're seeing institutional adoption accelerate, regulatory clarity emerge, and the convergence of AI and blockchain technology creating entirely new possibilities. The top cryptocurrencies by market cap, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, are all integrating AI in different ways, from infrastructure support to ecosystem tools to payment optimization. But the real revolution is happening with AI-native cryptocurrencies like Bitensor, Render, Fetch.ai, and Near Protocol. These projects aren't just using AI as a marketing buzzword, they're fundamentally building decentralized AI infrastructure, autonomous agent networks, and machine learning marketplaces. Key trends to watch in 2026. More than 100 crypto-linked ETFs launching in the US, stablecoins becoming the backbone of digital payments. Institutional inflows accelerating, AI agents executing autonomous transactions on-chain, and continued consolidation as companies build full-stack crypto platforms. My advice: do your own research, understand the risks. The crypto market remains volatile. AI cryptocurrencies are especially speculative despite the compelling technology. Only invest what you can afford to lose and diversify your portfolio. But if you're excited about the future of decentralized AI, autonomous agents, and the intersection of blockchain and machine learning, 2026 might be your year. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and drop a comment below, telling me which cryptocurrency you're most excited about in 2026. Are you Team Bitcoin maximalist, Ethereum believer, or are you diving deep into AI cryptos like Bitensor and Render? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and happy investing.